Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you uh, Google DeepMind Gemini Omni, which is multi-modal capabilities. What does it mean? You can upload an image or a video or anything. It can edit the video what you want. You can give a inputs like a video, or you can give a inputs as a images. Both you can do and combine together, and you can literally edit the video how you want. I would say this is a kind of what you call a chat GPT movement in the video model. Okay, let's see now. What is the difference between this and regular other video models? For example, C dance or VUO, or there are other models, right? Video generation models, Kling, etc. You can do certain level, but this Omni has certain unique features. What does it mean? Let's see now. I'm going to show you a quick thing what I have created. To time being, I already created. I'm going to show you how you can do it. More or less everything is same apart from the actual inference speed. Let's get inside this one. First thing is first, I have created everything in the Comfy. Also, I'm going to show you how you can do it this into the Comfy. uh, See, this is the my video. Let's see now. This is what I shot in my iPhone, and the question is, this is my video. Now what I want to keep this image, exactly this dragon, in my video, and also I want to transfer this feature to the my video. So what does it mean? You are giving inputs, multiple inputs on what you shot. You have a shot in your mind. This is how you are going to shoot. This is the exact framing you want, and maybe something. You can also write the prompt. For example, hey, don't change anything in the foreground. I need a sky in something XYZ mood. You can do many more. There is no limit around it. Only thing is, you can do like one or two images or a video. If you want to combine some other video with this, you can also do that. Loading, here is a loading mode. So basically you can load video and you can do it that. And it doesn't matter what kind of aspect ratio you can take it. It doesn't matter. This is end of the day, this is going it as a reference image. Then model can read this your input images and it will take it. So you could ask, even if without loading also you could try with a prompt. For example, this I'm trying to do with the Game of Thrones. Maybe you can write it in the prompt to get more precise results how you are looking. Better do it. This I have created what I done. Now once you shot this video, for example, this is my shot, you take a screenshot, keep it wherever image generation model, if you are wherever you comfortable, Gemini or ChatGPT or Midjourney, wherever you want. You just swap the the costumes how you are looking. Okay, and preferably if you want more precise, I try to remove it. Anyway, it can do it, but try to keep it as a plain background if you really want to do it exactly. Right now I have used the straightforward. You could do that, is another more precise method. Now once you've given this, now you could see here, this is my prompt. Preserve the original video composition if you want that. Or for example, you are moving something around the shot, and you could do also this, say, hey, follow the exactly whatever video I have, and you could do that. It is kind of a prompting vibe prompting and vibe composition what you are giving a video input. So that's it. Right now I've given only two images inputs, and this is the main node, Google Gemini Omni video, and it is going to consume 229.5 credits. Here is the catch. This is, though you are running in Comfy, there is a two methods in the Comfy. One is running in your local system, which is purely running in, right now I'm running in the Mac, which can process my Mac GPU. If there is another node, I will show you here. Once you go here, there is something, two methods. This is the Comfy, which can run in your local, and external remote API. Basically, you buy a credits here, and it's up to you, wherever you want, however you want. You don't need to take a multiple subscription. For example, let me show you here. Right now I have a 4568 credits. Okay, you can buy these credits, and very often you maybe use um, Google. So sorry, very often you use Google, or very rarely you will use some other models. Seamlessly you can switch it. For example, I can use Nano Banana, I can use Grok Edit, I can do Seed Dream, anything. It is like a unified credits which get being cut from your account. That is the concept of the global credits in the Comfy. In simple terms, if you are on a developer, if you are tried with something LLMs, it is a kind of a open router in LLMs. If not knowing what is open router, let me bring, this is also good point, let me bring here. Okay, I hope you can see. Okay, now you can see this is open router.a. What does it mean? Why this is very popular? You buy a credits here, you can go ahead and create one API key. You can seamlessly use n number of LLMs. For example, if you go here, these all text models, embedded models, image models, video models, audio models, anything you could do it in the API front. So something you are doing with your own, and sometimes people will give you something of free. You can go here, play role to say this literally you could see many things are free also here. So it's a pretty good, it is a kind of similar one, but it's a different structure on the Comfy. All right, and each 1 second is 21.3 credit. Multiply with how many seconds you are doing, but and upper limit is 10 seconds is max. You can't do beyond that. And if you want to do it, you can duplicate this, and again once the process is generated, basically you can customize more and more into this however you want. That's about this one. Let's see now, this is my video. And also previously I have generated something, let me bring that also here. Let me show, there is other one without, you could see this previous one without changing the costume. Let's see again. And if you notice, the background remain almost consistent except some cloud change. Whatever, it prompts exactly what it is previously generated, right? So that's how it looks. And feel free to explore yourself, it is really good. You can go ahead and try yourself however you want. Camera changing, style changing, object adding, removing, you could do many more things. So if you have any doubts, and let me know. And to get this workflow, what you need to do, go ahead and try it here, Omni Flash. That's about it. See you guys if you have any doubts, and let me know. See you, bye.